I'm going to quickly show you how to open a Wise account, so let's get started. First of all, make sure to open the Wise desktop site or app and click on Create Account. The easiest way to open a Wise account is usually through the Wise app, so download the app on the iOS or Android phones and you can complete the account opening process and start to manage your money right away. You'll also be able to make payments from your phone, so make sure to check your balances, manage your Wise multi-currency card if you choose to get one, and get instant transaction notifications. Anyway, so for the next step, make sure to enter your email address. You'll be prompted to register with either your email address or other identifiers such as your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. If you ever have any questions, you can also reach out to the Wise customer service team easily by opening a chat. Now for the next step, tap the type of account you want to open, either a personal or a business account. So Wise offers different account types all over the world, either personal or business. You'll need to confirm which type of account you want, as the features and fees can vary between the two options. Next, make sure to confirm your country of residence and your mobile number. You'll be prompted to confirm where you live and also enter a valid mobile number. The mobile number doesn't have to be from your country of residence, but you'll need to receive one-time password to activate your account, so do make sure your phone is working and you have signal. Now after that, you need to upload some ID to get verified. You'll be asked to complete a verification step for security, usually by uploading images of ID documents and confirming your personal and contact information. It's good to know this step can be done easily with just your smartphone. You'll be guided through the steps you need to take using on-screen prompts and can simply take a photo of the required documents and upload that to the Wise app. Now for the optional step, if you want to order your Wise multi-currency card, if you'd like to, you can now also add a balance and order a Wise multi-currency card for a one-time fee. You'll simply need to tap the card tab in the Wise app and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your card order has been processed, it will be sent to you by email and will arrive in 14 to 21 days. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.